Hello guys, this video we helped some people because one boat dragged and was hitting another boat that moved. So it was, I believe he's Russian or something like that, and he's always here. The other people were an old couple that just came, I guess, for the week, and it got windy and it dragged. So here's the video, and then we have what was it? Oh, the fishing boat.
A fishing boat hit another sailboat and it broke the window.
Yeah.
The guy left and
it was
come back.
That boat right over there. So yeah, it's the farther one right over there. That one.
Don't forget to tell them about the dinghy. Dinghy. You pull it off.
Oh yeah, true. I forgot about it. We had so many videos. So yeah, one of our friends over there by Star Island had a big motor in the back, and I guess when it got windy and it rained, it just sunk. So we used one of our sailboats to try to pull it up, but it wasn't working. So we took it to the island where Apollo goes every morning, and we turned it around and we took the water out. So yeah, you'll see that as well. So stay tuned, and remember, help us out and subscribe. All right, that would help us a lot. And say hello to Apoliño.
He just opened some presents.
He just opened some presents from one of our followers, Kelly Cantwell. Thank you, Kelly, for supporting us and subscribing to Instagram. It's like Patreon, so she helps us a lot with that. She's the only one, so I wish we get more. Apoliño. Thank you, Daddy. This is such a fun ride. Where are we going? On our way to help our friend's dinghy and take it out of the water because it sunk.
And the motor is there?
Huh?
The motor is on it?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Daddy, slow down. I almost fell. The idea here was to pull it with our mast rope up, and then he would pull it back with his dinghy so the inertia would keep the back up. But you will see what happens with all our tries.
Oh nice, it's coming up.
Thanks to Apollo.
Apollo is so strong.
Aguanta para pasarlo.
Huh? What happened? Oh, maybe someone from the Dinghy, yeah. That's crazy what the mast can take. The motor is almost out of the water.
No subiéndola. Subiéndola no pesa nada, pero cuando está abierta y está llena de aire. Pero no, esta vaina no. Dale, bro, síguele dando. Que estás cansado y estás disimulando. Dale con el pie. Ahí, ponla ahí, dale con el pie ahora. Que agarra la mano para que no... No pesó mucho. Déjame ir a agarrar el dinghy.
Look at all that growth. That is crazy.
That motor's too heavy.
Here is Nestor tying the rope on the motor so he can pull it with the dinghy. The first try went horrible. If I'm not mistaken, the rope was entangled with one of the riggings, so it wasn't letting it go freely out. On this try, it was my fault for releasing it too slow, but as you can see, I was expecting it to go faster the other way. But yeah, my mistake. Sorry, Nestor.
Nah. Not good.
Vamos a tener que hacerlo diferente. Velo subiendo.
Here you can see the rope now tangled up with the rigging, so Nestor could pull it with his dinghy a lot easier and farther.
Holy moly, the sailboat going on the side.
Pero es que está agarrado. Está agarrado el rigging.
No.
Tú lo amarraste del rigging. Oh. Por eso yo dije.
Ah, porque lo iba a sacar de lado.
Ah, pero.
Tiene que esperar que esté bastante recto y no suelta de un solo pingazo.
No, es que como vi que tenías esto suelto, dije, déjame soltarlo. Ah, por algo lo puso.
Cuando yo te grite, lo dejas ir. Dale, muévete, pues.
The sailboat gonna get on the side.
No vaya a pisar la soga.
This try, it got stuck when I let it go, so if you see, it kind of bumps twice, so we thought it was because of that, but I knew it was because the motor was so heavy, it was not staying up.
What if you get
Jala, jala, jala. Tiene mucha agua.
At this point, to be honest, we gave up. And we decided to go to the island. So we pulled it. It was a slow ride, but we made it there.
No, not mine. It's a friend.
Apollo.
Finally, the boat was right side up and we started taking out the water. Here I am trying to help. I don't know if I am, but I was taking out some water out. Good morning, guys. This is after a little cold front. We're gonna go check a friend's boat, our boats, and our friend's boat that I believe it's dragging. If it's over there, I'll show it to you. Not his boat. Some other boat is dragging towards him, and it's kind of hitting its first, like, fourth time that that boat hits. So we're gonna go check and show you guys. All right, bye.
Check it from the other side because that's where it was hitting.
Oh, the glass.
No, it's broken.
Oh, man.
That's expensive. And it did this boat. We need to move it for him.
We're trying. I'm waiting for Mike. Here we are on our way to see if we can help the old couple that was dragging into the other sailboat. Here, I didn't want to show the camera too much. That's why the angle is bad, because I was just checking that everybody was okay before recording. At the start, I didn't realize there was somebody in the water, but that's the guy from the blue boat, the owner. He was underwater and he got really cut up pulling those ropes. Will help if they break off. They're pulling right now. Oh, be careful with your leg. Pushing the dinghy right now. Helping out. The new motor is working perfectly. To be honest, I don't want to be here when I'm trying to push it, so I'm trying to push it over here and see. No, I'll help. Like, I can't, like, you're all scratched up, bro. The old couple was so nervous that they never pulled up the anchor, so they couldn't leave anywhere, but it's understandable. His anchor is on your anchor. What? His anchor is on your anchor, right?
I don't fucking know, man. These people are morons.
Can you let the anchor go, maybe? Just let it go. That's true. Maybe they can tow them to the marina and tie them up, and after they can go pick up the anchor.
Now he got it. Now he got it. Boom. Let it go and pull it from the other side. Let it go and pull it from that side. Yeah, there you go. I'm getting out of here.
Yeah. Go ahead. Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, it's hard to tell.
You don't want to risk your equipment, you know. Like I'll try, but when they pull, you don't know what's going where. Yeah. Yeah. Be careful with the dinghy.
Come, sit down. Sit down. Papa, sit down.
Sit.
Sit. Or you gonna go back to the boat? Stay there. I'm gonna stay home alone. Yeah, sit.
Such a happy moment when you see the boat release and they're detached from each other. Yuppie. This is crazy, man.
Yep, it's still windy. Holy shit, it's picking up.
So that was our adventure, guys, for the past week. It's been crazy. Dragging, boats, dinghies sinking. I hope you guys had a little bit of fun with a little bit of drama that we have here in the bay. So say bye, Apollinio. Bye. Say bye. All right. Thank you.
And don't forget to subscribe.
And like and share.
Yes.
Bye.